And penny for say a trade train can and trace upon his for me fan could there be there. A woman say na Jantuah you'll be as on pay MPP party nasem, but Kuffour ye nipa bia. So what was semba Kuffour so on na Jantuah benya. E effort me die kasa Kevin a commodity be di Kuffour tem the beka the sebe. Kuffour ye kwadwofoɔ enti to hwiche ni mu na onyare na nipa boni nti je say Kevin be di Kuffour tem kan kwase asem bibiri eno no na Jantuah aberepla Kevin a commodity la be bo nchire mu no chere wadwene amame ewo comment section aha ipenya block media mess was say any demo oba like video no ada about subscribe button sambe click notification icon for latest update aba chere wadwene amame ewo comment section oba so no chere for anya bi action. You know, let's go into the conversation. Boni bien see she see I was that's already the Kevin Taylor abetra the show ne so that the show is and someone all can attack is not already against Kuffour. Kevin Taylor say chere say Kuffour betra Ghana konwa so no yen chere ade ba ko pa eye Kuffour na ye se Kuffour na eye ade we Kuffour na status ade we enu wie ye Kuffour just say ye mention one achievement of Kuffour Emma the chere Kuffour enya hwe for the 8 years Kuffour tra Ghana konwa so no wa mo bra papa bia ama man konkon Ghana. In fact wa fa hye bia ngu akwa mu obetena konwa no so eno be wie o man sika ekotena fie ko di ye say ensem a Kevin a commodity la kan no e buza yenko ti
Kuffour amusa say dada bobonyoma wa ya ne enhwe ontimi mo ba ko mponkyerɛw o e na we na ya start ye na ye wie mese mo ma Kuffour on TV so national television no cause I started this and I completed this before I left office e bi ni Ghana history mu eno mo dada mo do mu hunahuna mo ode wonya mobo unim sika Kuffour te so unim sika ne nana no mte so unim sika we leading Kuffour mo wia oye lazy 99% be nante we oye broni a anka beba na obo tennis Kuffour ni age awedu no oye broni a anka no pe be bo so jogi. He is just lazy. He doesn't want to work because obenya kwase bia piano. He is just lazy. He's not disabled. Mama mfano kwase disabled category. On betna TV so no kan kire ye say juma de we na me starting na me yi me nsafiri ho bibia ni wo Kuffour timi wie. Not a single thing.
What I say? Oje Kuffour mo bra bia na in fact say Kuffour ewo abrechire ba bia anka nimfia wadruwe no anko sore na antekura bo golf. Kuffour ekọ 90 years. Kuffour okọ 90 years. Kevin Taylor o papa benimfia wadie but o men Kuffour ba bia. O papa men Kuffour ba bia. Are you telling me say o papa konya Kuffour mfie ni bia obetimi ansole gira na so anante? Sometimes the KSM show mine no o men Kuffour ba bia o woni 60s Kuffour wo 80s Kuffour nko atimi sore gira na so nante. But the KSM show mine no or nante just is so nimu but still obetena show si be di Kuffour do atem. What I say? Obetena show si be di Kuffour atem. Aba say Kevin Taylor abake kana adwa kire Kuffour mewa enema Kuffour bebrebe Ghana hadom say Kuffour amanka abo be chi ye. Even the Jubilee House na ehunu Kuffour na si ye. Kuffour na start ye esewie ye. But minim the idea kata Kevin Taylor adwene so any minim the kind of and some ya catch and say on time MPP say woni obi atem e MPP party no minim say MPP party no omo former president omo tiase nti anase omo founders etiase na ye ndise for no ya de amentiase because Kuffour tiase Kuffour a founder was a first president of the MPP party otiase Kuffour etiase but when this mo ye ni former president bi otiase eno an Mahama obe transfer sabai ba Asad Mahama jeje ni ho Atamis ni ho ye ni former president bi o NDC mo otiase minim say eno na yi wo mu yawo se di o mentiase the fact him we na Kevin be Kuffour no eno ana na Jantuah se da bi on tena onye hwe ha e ma sebe Kevin Taylor no mo obra bi ada no emfa ne nana na oluman anim ebetwitwifom.
So my point is that let us be careful. Yeah? Makacho say we NDC near. Don't be happy with certain things. Now no obi ko bisa question na mo say onye Nsenchoni papa. And then you are there me who ye 24 say Kevin ebie na no awo ni CID in what capacity we why? Hey, no you all want ni CID say we why?
Says he had night.
No. Me person me who say. You see, and you maybe I'm a person me can. But me person me nyaneti as say he is nobody to even decide. They say, "Wa one will be who be in what capacity." What's America? Yeah, tia me cool. Maybe I'm a say me the police a you. Me tear me pay. What you say? And so it is easy for you to stay somewhere and then shout and all those things. It's because of Kasa. Government for any appointees for any be thrown into which is normal.
Wow.
Oh yeah, which is not because yes we are born, and I don't doubt his influence or the NDC by, but know your limits because Yera John Mahama will never ever underestimate the work of you can say Papa Kuffour.
Okay, President Kuffour.
You understand?
President Kuffour said.
What did the President Kuffour say? You can attack maybe on the policies be yeah. But to the extent so be one no catch and say, hey, no,
I don't want us to repeat that.
No, but I'm just saying, say it is nonsense.
Wow.
It is nonsense. You don't do that. Let me tell you don't do that. Because you are not the only man here. Just because you have platform, yeah, be talking. But you don't do that. Now I'm disappointed. And this is for Mumudine to me who say Obiaka say Kevin Taylor, a dear way dear, why me who you. Then you are insulting Papa Kuffour. Somebody at John Mahama to me, president into me, how do you say, on Yari, Nani Yari, or baby and Koboy, or Yazan? How do you say that? Papa, on Wakwaye, BBSC, over 80 something. BBSC, na, untimin Tnase. Naka Kankakra, or Yari, when you was final problem. Baby, I would dream, ye send home Pibo. What you say? Yeah.
Anything I will share President Kuffour achievement.
That is it. So, okay. No can say, Obincha, President Kuffour, Juma Ben, or or complete year.
Like seriously?
Yes.
Hey, wow.
And you are fact checking Kuffour. When to me, I'm fact checking one who say there are a lot of things President Kuffour. Let me tell you, CDD report, the only president that had an approval rating of 72% and ended with 76%. We see that. Normally, I shall say next but President Kuffour, when they check it, CDD report, I will share with you. Approval rating at that time was 72% of all exiting. 2008, now 76%. Didn't see that. President Atami Usube take here, by 2011, now 53% to say. John Mahama de by 32, and around 2016, echo so kakra. What they say, and so take cry, and you can say Nana Kuffour be found around 70 something. And on no kono about 30%.
Wow, I didn't know from.
You understand? And John Mahama the NM 60. So until beating the record of President Kuffour. Opa check the approval rating according to Global Info Analytics. And less than 70%. What you saying approval rating and less than 70%. But Kuffour started with approval rating of 72%
and finished with 76.
And finished with 76% according to CDD. Let's be careful. Share your platform, share. There have been times that we have been harsh.
Exactly, you've gone overboard.
We've gone overboard. Yeah. But yet not say no. Be careful. And yeah, to say I dear way there. Man can ye.
Do you expect Uniaki talk Kevin tell us on a patch?
Or no on patcho.
Oh, okay.
Mimi na mini no. On patcho. Me krani emi me obi abedidi matem but no ma no say me mini aketua no timi those things make na say otimi di matem owi an maka gen say we ndi matem en yon koto aso onim say me metimi onu awoni adebo di matem sa be tra weso enti NDC fo nani age ti ade ti anam so wagi me papa koto aso en wan to aso so we have our ways of doing our thing.
Okay. Kevin Taylor yame fa born in Chawate. Obie did watem. Yes, you deserve it. Because low IQ. With this, yenya obia manin tiane se ojimi. When you obia dinner tem, Ghana ha, se omampenyi Kuffour. Me, I don't tolerate politics of insult. What me say omampenyi Kuffour, lazy na check our team no was shut down our team because Obenya Kwasia Biama ne piano. I'm sorry, okay? Yakupon fa born chew. Ose Omampeni Kuffour anye bibia o Ghana ha. Are you serious? Kevin Taylor, are you serious? Now why enebema Ghana ye de? Omampeni Kuffour be fra konya 2000 to 2001. as ɔmampanin ɛna ɔde Ghana ɛka na NDC abɔ ato ɔ ɛyɛ the former president Jerry John Rawlings ɛka no abɔ ato ɔ ne ka mene ya na bi nsi da ɔbaa na ɔbɛtam Ghana ɛde yɛ kɔ HIPIC ɛna through the HIPIC Ghana yɛtimi nya yɛ ho kakra HIPIC ɛbɛboa me yɛtimi nya school dan schools bebree ɛwɔ Ghana and then otam health insurance now they call hospital only nipo initiate health insurance. If you don't know, let me tell you. Omanpanyin Kuffour enuma pa or to be initiated 2001 to 2009. So if you don't know, let me tell you. Ghana, your transport system. Until anima main control. Omanpanyin Kuffour and the metro mass ebaya. Yehu even buses kura na animonyam ewom ewo Ghana ha. Ghana, your transport system. Omanpanyin Kuffour and introducing metro mass. Accra, Malam, Kasua Road and Achimota of Fanko Road were all constructed. Unimakwanya Omanpanyin Kuffour ebeye ewo Ghana ha say. School feeding program and a school feeding program. Ghana Poverty Reduction Strategy. That is the GPRS. And no, Omanpanyin Kuffour initiative. And no, Ghana Stock Exchange. Ghana Stock Exchange Modernization expanded. Ubejina mabeka say Omanpanyin Kuffour anyahwe. Ko Buidam. The Buidam hydroelectric projects no a Omanpanyin Kuffour initiative. West African gas pipeline project a Omanpanyin Kuffour initiative. Now when I was to call my way, you tia kenti o kasabasa. Ubedi Omanpanyin Kuffour. Are you serious? Capitation grant scheme. Only boy initiative. Udi natem a Omanpanyin Kuffour. The National Youth Employment Program YEA and the Balik Basintali Kokacha Balik Basintali said ne Omanpanyin Kuffour ne amana juma ne oye. So Balik Basintali come and tell your cockroach so this so you should keep quiet because Omanpanyin Kuffour ne man sako no. Ghana ye free maternal care. A man e kwa awoso na sebi yenya sika mfanyi omumpo mafie Omanpanyin Kuffour na wo Kevin Taylor wudi na tem no e ma re mfi on dey free. If you don't know, let us tell you agriculture say John Dramani Mahama baaye no wabeti cocoa so ma cocoa kra ye nto wabeti cocoa so ma cocoa kra ye nto mass cocoa spraying program uni nipo initiate ye Omanpanyin Kuffour na be peja Ghana cocoa e ma ne be nyama John Dramani Mahama ne mills ba man timi anya ho hia na na do Akua Kuffour be fa cocoa ko 3,500 mo ba ya muntimi amate so muntimi kranto. If you don't know, let us tell you. Ghana Airport Company and Port Modernization Omanpanyin Kuffour ensa no juma. Establishment of Ghana Revenue Authority GRA. On a baby merge revenue agencies for better administration. And GRA Ghana Revenue Authority. 3 hospital Ewa Ferry. 250 bed Ashanti Regional Hospital Sewua. 6 district hospitals including 60 bed hospital Ewa Tepa, Konongo and Salaga. 9 Center of Excellence in ICT. On the baby who ICT so fast. Unye serious. So go and come again. Me blame you because who tifie no my tia come out didi. Oba my presidential treatment. Eti who can kwasi asem anyhow. You are not serious. Okay, Kevin Taylor. O 9 left. I also say we o mrebeso. Unyini eti men sra kwatia. When you be answer ne say papa kokra. O mre your days are numbered now you don't know.
Hey! Kanye! Ghana for
Mommy can say Excellency John Dramani Mahama say. On in attack dog Kevin Taylor and Kasa. Say adia Kevin Taylor dia NDC for ntimi nka na asem no. Me hu video bia Kevin Taylor, that useless asset, edidi the former president, His Excellency John Agyekum Kuffour atem. Na yenwa ni saying ena amen. Ye ka che Kevin Taylor say, so wafana fufura a mo mfa nko His Excellency former president John Agyekum Kuffour so. Ebra John Agyekum Kuffour, His Excellency abono. Ni papa a oti ayeodo omo mufa. Aya ni bra akwa no oya bitter Kevin Taylor oya bitter guy and oti wiase. He ya entertain sa sabe stupid guy we e wo krom ha amani didi mpanimfo atem o start fin na de kwa Kuffour de so yanka hwe o de ko His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia so yanka hwe ye wi o de ko ne ye Hadia Samira so wadi obia atem e wo Ghana ha except His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ene Ibrahim Mahama if you say ono mo ye ni pay masters omo na mani sika so oni asantefo atem oni otumfo atem oni president Kuffour atem oni vice president Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia atem no oni obi atem Ghana na mom John Mahama de emi ani natem ono na akoka asem na TNDC a odo batena na platforms no odi atem tese obi ankwa NDC wona osie say first now ye NPP ni na ye den na akwa NDC NPP ye nya ma wo that useless asset we emma efo watem didie ene onioma emma party ni na Kuffour de call US apesa otwe ben no opesa de ho be for politics man na Kuffour de kasa onye ne classmate on ma opposition bia no na mu ye kum oni MPP fo anya problem ode ye so na apesa ye ne say ka we politician na ka we MPP ni na so na Kuffour do etwa sa political career no so because won say wunye nipa of substance and until the hatred asho musa abesine a open MPP for asem no no enye yasema me say de ekoso nyina one day or the baby His Excellency John Dramani Mahama because utimi edi akwawei emani di judge satam yetina as contempt na utimi emani bagana emani national security protection adile court emomoko kwasi judgment a edano so na akwane na mo free a yo pebi obeye because the president of Ghana and aman ho kwan na sese no NPP for a your platform we so ya ju say Kevin Taylor odidi His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia tem odidi Hadia Samira Bawumia tem odidi former first lady odidi Nana Dankwa Kuffour atem anaso bedidi NPP ni panimu bia tem a yeso bedidi His Excellency John Dramani Mahama tem ye bedidi ni papa na oti ayodo na wa mobra no because menya sure say Kevin Taylor ne papa bobra enkasa adwuma na wa fa to no so nko onye untimi nya intellectual analysis bia de bia kwasia ena wajimi ena pieto ena obawe ena wase ena say no nyansa say bi ni nitrim because onye obi no watunufo oba na one ne to no ko onye oba papa bia ontunufo osoro na pa na okoja no de nkra na ja no ono nkwa adwuma otifie ni ama ne basement ena wahye ne machines wo ho ena oya na okofa nkra ni free school aba okofa nkra ni free school ba frustration no obetra no akeka 77 kwasiasem de achega na mpanimfo o Kevin Taylor pa na nka wo nya NDC a ana ma platform ana send NDC fo na ama kwan a mu tua woka na odi sa 77 nsomfunu na nka wo krom ha infa na nka betena wo betena ga na dis amu asem no wo ba ga na hwe wo yobia ene won taade ene won nyoma bia na hihye wo sore na odi di bogafo atem wo tu wo nya nipa bia o president Kuffour mu pia president Kuffour ni scooter no kra po no ntimi ni nachi o ti scooter mu a wo mu di nachi no kra tretre no kra no wo ntimi nye wo Kevin Taylor wo konkwachi konko wo dua bi humre ene His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ni Ibrahim Mahama na ama wo ye nipa oni nam Ghana ha esisa bola so ene tese wapo agotra America ya ma okwan ana ya ma osika ena wo kika sebe mu asem na wo de abai be sisa na bo kwan do be fa so wo krom ase
woni musika ne nana no mteso
Kevin Taylor o pese hu de Kuffour ye me hu se ma ho bebe aye videos e kaka de Kuffour ye me kaka de Kuffour ye ko bisa o president John Mahama o former president John Rawlings yanko fa de crazy kubisano JJ Rawlings kubisano de Kuffour atamos yanko ono so fa de crazy kubisano kubisano maame eno papa go and ask your mom and your dad. So upon one so to could say onana your forefathers, go and ask them their Kuffour aye. And I say they attend the church say you are nobody. Because the Kuffour aye edaho a edasu eye juma. You and I know that. Because can we tell us stop pretending, stop using this kind of way say Kuffour nyeshe na oti hwil so na konju send money debi. O papa no mame nka omunya Kuffour musima ka ope wa otu a ye di utrum amanda ne bo ho no kura ka onya Kuffour musima ka ope. Sometimes use your common sense. Men tina kamrechi enkan kwasiasem. Men tina kamrechi enkan kwasiasem. Na onya ni panchi obi. Ye di utrum mo anu spend mama wa funu nyina esi. O ba ga na yehu. O ba ga na onante yu na 1111. Ye nim se utrum ya se utrum ntu untimi bibi onamu nante. I'll be TV so. But to work out and this need beer and make up was yati. You're gonna we live to see tomorrow, inshallah. Young Kaushi, why, your baby, it's your own cup of tea. See, as and for say, more and for say, do fruit your pan heading in your piano. Do fruit your pa in your piano. Kashan could do, why? Can you tell her? Kashan could do. Adia uye nyina omba eba be hu de omwe ombo se aye papa no jimi o wa omba de be du aten yo ye be du omba ele be du aten se aye papa no jimi o nti le papa ye odi panifo at doesn't make sense. Use your common sense na wa jimi sa kaso ye oyobi kula sini bi
Chede wa dwe fuma me e wo comment section. Hi PENYAH Media. Accra.